My name is Freedom. How to make any sea urchins by using Blender 4.2. And start from now, I'm going to show you all the step by step. So first, I'm going to just close everything and start from a new Blender 4.2 project. Everything start from beginning. I'm going to show you all the step by step. First, click the empty area, press A and delete everything. Add a mesh, add an Ico Sphere. Go to the edit mode, click the empty area, press A to select all, and press Alt E, Extrude Individual Faces, and click the original place. Then press Alt S to just drag it out in this way. Then press S to make it small in this way. Again, repeat Alt S to make it out, and press S to make it small this way. Then again, at this stage, just press Alt E, extrude the individual faces in this way. You can just press S to just make it, escape. You press Alt S, Ctrl Z. If you press S, you are going to just make it big. Then press Alt S to just make it small. Then just press S and Alt S again. Alt S. Alright. Now you just back to the object mode and have a look. Click, then go to the material, just add a new material, make it become black color. Turn on the material. Now it is black color. Alright. Then some more, if you want to make this sharp, you can just back to the edit mode here again. Then at here, just press A. At this stage, just right click, click merge material, merge the vertices by distance. Here you can just choose 0.01 or 0.1. Now just have a look. All of these more edges, it is going to merge already. Then back to the object mode again. You can see now everything going sharp. Once going sharp already, you can just copy the whole object, Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Then click the second mesh. You just simply rotate a little bit. It is going to increase the number of thorns. Now, then back to the object here. You press A. You can see you have so many thorns. Alright. Now it is going to similar to the sea urchins that you can see in the real world. Alright, that's all for today about my tutorials on how to create the sea urchin 3D models just by using the Blender 4.2. If you love my 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing tutorials, you can just subscribe to this YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all, so that when next time I publish a new videos, tutorials, or sharings, you receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy. Happy 3D modeling, 3D animations, and 3D game developing. See you.